Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and don't skip video. Today showing machine cleaning method and all dropping the method. First remove the dust. All dust remove and thread removing. Use this blade. Remove the thread. Wash the dust inside. Cleaning all dust. Without cleaning dust, all stitching is not perfect. First is clean. All dust remove. Use the cotton cloth. Wash. Thread removing. Wastage cotton cloth use. Wash the machine. Add the oil. Full machine adding oil. Nut joint. And top side oil. First inside wash clean oil. Next top side oil. Perfect stitching. Thank you all watching.